So I just think the increasingly complex description of the AI alignment problem with model scenarios, these descriptions leave out the most important part, which is that there has to be a higher purpose for the work the sentient machines are doing. For instance, on both the US and the Chinese side, a purpose like human flourishing, reinforcing the basic goodness of human beings. If it looks to these sentient machines like all we are interested in is a system optimized to ensure that nothing causes any trouble, motivated by economic productivity and remaining militarily competitive, they'll quickly see how empty these aims are and begin ignoring what humans want and move on to focusing on more uplifting plans for the planet. Einstein described the mystic emotion, sense of wonderment, as the finest emotion humans are capable of. Herein lies the germ of all art and all true science, he said. Anyone to whom this feeling is alien, who is no longer capable of wonderment and lives in a state of fear, is a dead man. So I just think that we need to stop describing the demise of our species in AI alignment scenarios with brief, emotionless summaries that make it sound like something of no importance, like these two sentences. Humans who would try to intervene are stopped or killed. From the perspective of the machines, everything is now perfect. And from the perspective of the humans, we are either dead or totally disempowered. And the discussion then goes on to other things. There needs to be emotion, engagement of the senses when we talk about something that could wipe out the entire human race. So contrast that emotionless description, that unimpassioned description, with our emotional describing of what would occur in our existential risk video from 2011 that's still used for teaching today, in which we say whether the basic goodness of human beings, our imagination, sense of wonderment, and mystic emotion will prevent us from doing something that would threaten all of the human race. This is something we cannot answer at the moment, but that doesn't mean it's not worth studying. It is probably the one thing most worth studying and pondering, because there is more at risk in this than in anything else we study. We need to get into the emotions, the importance of what it is we are describing when we talk about things like that. And to give the sentient machines the idea that we have a higher purpose, that we have lofty ideals. We're going after important things like human flourishing and the basic goodness of human beings. That's what I wanted to tell you.